Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your console firmware and Rust build are fully updated because mismatches cause crashes. Once done, clear the system cache and force a rebuild of game files to remove corrupted temp data. Next, ensure your account license and online services are active. An auth failure can terminate the app. These steps address most immediate causes and prepare the system for deeper troubleshooting if crashes continue to occur. Now you move into diagnostic work. Boot Rust in safe mode or strip startup to isolate mods or overlays. If crashing persists, extract crash logs and record error codes. Those codes reveal memory faults or shader issues. While monitoring, reset network settings and verify NAT and connectivity to rule out server timeouts. Make sure to test with a local guest account to separate profile corruption from system-level problems. This narrows the fault to game data, account, or hardware. For resolution, perform a clean reinstall. Remove Rust completely, delete local save and cache, then reinstall to eliminate corrupted assets. Once reinstalled, apply any GPU or console hotfix updates and retest. Driver mismatches often trigger crashes. If crashes persist across accounts and clean installs, backup data and consider a factory reset as a last resort, because system corruption can mimic game faults. If you still see crashes, collect logs and contact support with timestamps and error codes for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.